Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So today we're going to be going through a quick tutorial on how to screen record on an iPhone. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So there are a lot of benefits, of course, to screen recording. There may be some parts that you want to show on how to do tutorials as well, or you may just want to show someone how to actually do something that you would want them to do on their phone. So there's plenty of reasons as to why you would want to have screen recording. Now, of course, the way to unlock the screen recording option feature on the iPhone, it's actually a very simple and easy process. So we'll go ahead and go through this demonstration. So first of all, what you would want to do is you would want to go ahead and head to your settings. So once you head into your settings, you'll see just below the general, there's a control center. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And as you can see here, you have access within apps, show home controls. As you can see, I've already got this screen recording activated. I'll go ahead and delete that. We'll go ahead and add that in again. As you can see, it's just there, screen recording, tap that in. And you've pretty much got it on your control center. Now within the control center, depending on what you have, basically, depending on what phone you have, be it the older generation iPhone, iPhone 7, iPhone 8 Plus, 8, or and so on. And then, of course, you have those wider screen ones as well, which is the iPhone 10 and onwards to up to iPhone 14. You would have to pretty much just scroll down, and you'll be able to see the control center. Or of course, with the iPhone, you can scroll up and you'll be able to see the control center, which I'll demonstrate now. So now that we've got the screen recording activated, we'll go ahead and go off it. And if I just go ahead and scroll this up, it's a wee bit fidgety. Just below, you'll see the screen recording. I've actually got this activated now because I'm recording this video. And that is pretty much it. That is the tutorial itself. As you can see, very quick and easy, very simple as well. You do also have the option to go ahead and record your voice while screen recording. When you do this, you have that option as well. So you just pretty much just hold in the screen recording and you're able to turn the microphone on or off, but you have to have that actual control center up when you're doing it. But yes, guys, if you guys have any questions at all regarding the video, please do let us know in the comment section below. Hopefully this quick little tutorial has helped you. And yes, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.